Ever feel like your money's stuck on a hamster wheel? Spinning around but never going anywhere? Yeah, me too. That's why I'm here today to talk about Wealthsimple, a platform that can help you break free from that financial treadmill and start making your money work for you. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear, Wealthsimple isn't a magic money machine. It's a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how you use it. But with the right approach, Wealthsimple can be your personal finance powerhouse, helping you grow your savings, invest for the future, and even earn some cash on the side. So, how exactly can Wealthsimple help you make money? 1. Grow your savings with high-interest accounts. Let's face it, traditional savings accounts are a joke. The interest rates are so low, it's basically like watching your money slowly turn to dust. But Wealthsimple offers a couple of ways to fight back against those measly rates. First, there's Wealthsimple Cash. Think of it as a checking account on steroids. You get a no-fee debit card to spend with, but here's the kicker, your account balance actually earns interest. We're talking 3% on your cash, which jumps to a sweet 4% if you've got over $100,000 across all your Wealthsimple accounts. That's a massive difference compared to the banks. Then there's the Wealthsimple High Interest Savings Portfolio. This isn't your average savings account. It uses something called exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to invest your money in low-risk, high-interest-bearing assets. Right now, these portfolios are pulling in a cool 4.38% to 4.48% interest. Not bad for keeping your emergency fund safe and sound. 2. Invest for the future with managed or self-directed investing. Okay, so you've got some savings growing with a decent interest rate. Now what? Well, this is where Wealthsimple's real power kicks in, investing. Here, you've got two main options, managed investing or self-directed investing. Managed investing is like having a financial advisor in your pocket without the hefty fees. Wealthsimple creates a personalized investment portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment time frame. They do all the heavy lifting, you just sit back and watch your money grow. Self-directed investing is for those who like to take the wheel. You get access to a wide range of stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, think buying a tiny slice of a super expensive company like Amazon. This gives you more control, but also comes with more responsibility. You'll need to do your own research and understand the risks involved. 3. Earn cash back with the Wealthsimple Cash Card. Remember that Wealthsimple Cash debit card we mentioned earlier? Well, on top of earning interest on your account balance, you can also snag some sweet cash back with every purchase you make. We're talking about 1% back on everything you buy, deposited straight into your account as stock, crypto, or even more cash. It's a tiny reward, but hey, every little bit counts, right? Important considerations before you start. Alright, Wealthsimple sounds pretty awesome, right? But before you jump in headfirst, there are a few things to keep in mind. Investing involves risk. There's no guarantee your investments will go up. The stock market can be a roller coaster, so be prepared for some ups and downs. Do your research. Especially if you're going the self-directed investing route, don't just throw your money at random stocks. Understand the companies you're investing in and the risks involved. Start small and be patient. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Start with a manageable amount, invest consistently, and let your money grow over the long term. Wealthsimple, your money-making toolkit. Wealthsimple isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a toolbox with a variety of tools to help you manage your money and grow your wealth. Whether you're looking to park your savings with a decent interest rate, invest for the future, or even earn some cash back on everyday purchases, Wealthsimple has something for you. Remember, the key is to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance, then choose the tools that best suit your needs. With a little planning and the right approach, Wealthsimple can be your partner in building a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next.